Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact Gmail support for issues. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course then go to the top right corner and click on Gmail to get to your Gmail. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Gmail support for issues. So first of all, you need to go to Gmail. You can go to the Gmail Help Center. So the official Gmail help page provides troubleshooting guides from common problems. And you can go and get them on this here link that I'll be providing you with in just a few seconds. So you can go here. As you can see, how can we help you? You can describe your issue. So you can find step-by-step instructions on how to contact Google for Gmail related issues on WikiHow. So you can go and do it there. If you need direct help, you can post your issue in the Gmail community where experts and other users may assist you. Unfortunately, Google does not offer direct phone or live chat support from Gmail unless you have a Google One subscription. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.